Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to take care of crystal clear slime and keep it beautiful and clear. If you guys want scented clear slime, you can get that at my slime shop. I have the link in the description, or you could just type in the URL www.catscraft.store. I have a bunch of really awesome clear slimes, so you guys can pick which one you want and the scent. I have a drop-down list of a bunch of scents. Right now, my favorite clear scents are cherry, cotton candy, and unicorn sugar. All of my clear slimes shown in this video are scented, so that just shows you how clear they are with scents in them. The first and most important step for taking care of any slime is how to make slime activator. Slime activator is used when a slime is sticky. You just add it in and it makes it not sticky. First, you'll need 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. If you ordered from me, the borax will come in a packet and it'll be pre-measured, so just add the whole thing into the cup. Now mix the activator together, and then once it turns clear, it's ready to be used. Make sure you label your slime activator so it doesn't get mistaken for water. This can actually be stored for later use. 1 cup of slime activator can actually activate a couple slimes. You don't need to use a lot when you're activating the slime, just a little bit at a time until it's not sticky anymore. Keeping your clear slime crystal clear is washing your hands, and make sure that you wash them really well. And make sure that you rinse all of the soap off, because soap makes clear slime cloudy. Clear slime is like a sponge. It'll pick up any kind of dust or anything, so you have to make sure that your desk is also really clean. The way I like to clean off my slime desk is by using slime activator, because the activator borax is soap. I use slime activator to clean the desk because slime activator doesn't make the slime foggy. While using something like a baby wipe to wipe down the table, baby wipes usually leave a bunch of residue and that would get into the slime and then make it foggy. I'll usually use the activator about 3 times wiping down the desk just to make sure I get everything. How to fix sticky clear slime. Don't worry if your clear slime is sticky, even if it's literally a puddle of glue, it can be fixed. All you have to do is add in the slime activator. Earlier in the video I showed you guys how to make the slime activator, so if you missed that you could just go back in the video to the beginning. And the steps for making activator are right there. 1 teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of water, easy peasy. So after your activator is all mixed and made, just add in a little bit at a time to your slime until it is no longer sticky. Every time that you add in the activator, make sure you mix it thoroughly so it is all worked in, and then decide if it needs more. Still sticky? Add more. Don't add in too much at once, or else the slime might overactivate and it'll turn really hard and rippy. But if that does happen, I do have a fix for that too. How to fix hard clear slime. If you've overactivated your clear slime and it's ripping and it won't stretch anymore, just add a little bit of vegetable glycerin. This will soften up the slime and make it like new again. This stuff really deactivates the slime fast, so I really recommend only adding a drop or 2. Also, vegetable glycerin is an ingredient that doesn't make your slime foggy, so using this fix won't ruin your slime. If you don't have vegetable glycerin, another fix for a hard clear slime is just letting it sit in its container for a couple of days. Every type of slime deactivates with time and melts down. After playing with clear slime, you'll notice that there are some bubbles in it. The bubbles are air that's trapped inside. The way to fix this is to leave your slime in its container and just let it sit for about 2 to 3 days, and then the bubbles will start to rise from the bottom to the top. And once all of the bubbles have risen to the top, your slime will be clear again. If your slime is foggy even after letting the slime sit in the container and all of the bubbles have risen to the top, a way you can make the slime look beautiful again is by adding in some food coloring or slime pigment. I added in only 2 drops of food coloring, and now this slime looks like new. This is a slime that I added pigment into. I used gold pigment and it looks so shiny and perfect. Clear slime is more of a table slime and not really a slime that you would hold in your hands like a holdable slime. So these are ways that you could play with clear slime. My favorite way to play with clear slime is poking it because it makes really satisfying sounds. And if you're just poking it, it doesn't really get as many bubbles trapped inside, so it'll just like stay clear while you're playing with it, and it looks so amazing. The clear slime from my Etsy is stretchy, but if you pull it too fast, it will rip. It won't have the same stretch as a white glue slime because lotion can't be added into clear slime because that would make it foggy, but I do add other ingredients that make it stretchy, so it does have stretch, it just needs to be stretched slowly. Another way to play with clear slime is smelling it if you got it from my shop. All the scents I have smell so good, oh my gosh. I love the cotton candy one right now, so this is what I scented, the one in the video. It's so good. Another way to play with clear slime is to make bubble pops with it. I think that clear slime makes the best bubble pops, even better than white glue slime. They're just super loud and perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and comment below your favorite type of slime. Mine's cloud slime. What's yours?